Greetings everyone in my YouTube channel Morgan Options, where we from an ordinary man make educated and rich. So follow the news in the Telegram channel also. And we start today's trading. So we are on the broker. So let's start trading. On my balance you see the amount of $150. And today I will show you how exactly from this amount you can make yourself a profit of more than $5,000 without problems and very quickly. Opening trades on a minute time frame. All currency pairs I have analyzed and already picked. Some currency pairs have OTC status, so you need to pick a good one trend strategy. As I recommend to open trades on OTC, I always recommend to follow the trend. So today we have MACD, SSI, and weighted moving average to analyze. Weighted moving average will be with a period of 15. We have MACD with periods 5, 7 and 10, and we will have SSI with a period 10. Thanks to this period, we capture a large range of price movement, and in general, we'll control the whole price in this period range. So, let's get started. As I trade, you will understand how to work with this strategy. And let's pick up our first currency pair and open our first trade. Let's open a down trade here. The MACD histogram is showing us two strong upward volumes. The last such volumes we had, we didn't even have such volumes. There are the first such uptrend, upward volumes, yes. For the last time period, and accordingly we will wait for a pullback. Here we are not relying on our moving average. I remind you again, we are watching the volumes of our histogram, and we also watching the exit from the area of the overbought from our second oscillator. We will also have a good touch point here and open a trade in the pullback. Let's watch the result. We have about 10 seconds left. And our first trade is easily closed in plus. In addition to the basic principle of this strategy, yes, here we can also focus on our oscillators in general. A little bit to include knowledge of technical analysis. And in general, you can also trade. Let's say like now, we didn't touch the moving average at all. Yes, we only looked at our oscillators. Found a good touch point and opened a trade and closed in the plus, as you see. Nothing complicated. Let's continue trading and pick up the next currency pair. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Oriented here by our moving average and oscillator MACD. Moving average crossing from bottom to top, then our oscillator moving average crossing from bottom to top as well. And this means an up signal in our case. Our SSI oscillator has also reversed. Let's watch the result in general. And our second trade is also easily closed in plus, you see. Not in vain I chose a trend strategy. On the currency pair OTC we opened on the trend. Was not a mistake. Well, saw the signal strategy, it showed it to us, and we closed the trade in plus. Let's pick the next currency pair and continue our trading. Let me better open a down trade right here. More obvious volumes were shown on the MACD histogram here, and I'm seeing an overbought area exit on our second oscillator. So here I'm probably better to open a down trade here. There is no crossing of the moving average, but in general, because the dynamics is upward good. But I think the oscillators will not deceive me. The exit still will happen, and there will be a crossover of our moving MACD. And we have about 20 seconds left. Let's watch the dynamics of this candle. And our trade closed again in the plus. Let's put $508, and now we will open two trades for the amount of $508 for each. But before that, we will change our currency pairs a little bit. Add better percentage. Now we will see the dynamics. Let's add this one. And let's add this one. Let's leave it as it. Basically, yes. Now we can go ahead and let's pick up the next currency pair. Here we will open two trades. We are on the upside. We open on the trend after the price pullback. After crossing the average, moving average upwards. Let's allocate the working area. In general, we are oriented here on the trend and on this crossing. After the crossing of the red candlestick from the bottom upwards. Further, the dynamics of movement didn't go down. It appeared once again green candle. It crossed it. And I think that the further dynamics of our trend is likely to follow that trend. Because the currency pair we have the status of OTC. We also observe the crossing of moving MACD from the bottom to top. In general, 15 approximately seconds remain. We watch the dynamics of the movement. And I was absolutely right. After the pullback we have, after the crossing of moving average, the dynamics has not gone down. It has gone up. And as you would expect, yes, the dynamics of the movement we have gone up. Let's change the sum of the value of the trade. Let's put $950 and open two trades again for $950 each. And pick the following currency pair. My gut tells me that I want to open a trade on the trend. We have a good upward dynamic prevailing on this currency pair. And we had a pretty strong pullback in this part of the movement. The crossing occurred and therefore we most likely had a strong pullback. The formation of a new local minimum. And I think the price dynamics we have further on the trend should go. Cross in this area, our moving average. We also see downward volumes on the histogram of our oscillator. I will expect a crossing of moving average here. And I also see an exit from the oversold area on our second one oscillator. So I'd better open a trade on the upside here. Let's watch the result. And our trades are closed in plus. After all, we have an upcoming crossover. Maybe it's likely to happen. The exit has happened. The trades are confidently closing plus. We have $3,500 on the balance. Let's consolidate it. Let's open the final three trades for the amount of $3,000 and choose the following currency pair. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. And here we open three trades on the downside. As soon as we see the moving average crossing, we open on the signal, yes. In general, we see upward momentum, but as we see, we have serious pullbacks. Such pullbacks are going lower much in general, and so here we also focus on that. We also see a moving average crossing from top to bottom after the formation of a new local high. And we also see the crossing of the moving MACD. The SSI oscillator is coming out of oversold or rather overbought. And accordingly we open a down trade here. Let's watch the result. And our final trades close in plus. A great trade for today on this universal trend strategy. And it is universal because it feels good on the regular market So and OTC market in general. Let's fix our profit and let's go to the output tab. Choose a wallet. The amount will be $6,000. You see how simple and easy it is. We made a profit of $6,000 in a few minutes, guys. Our operation is successfully executed. Interesting trading today. Quite good and favorable for today's trading, because we have chosen the right strategy you can please use. All done for you. And well, and in general, be sure to give this video a like. Write your comments, it helps me very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. All the necessary links you can find under this video. Good luck on trading, guys. Bye bye.